Hi all, welcome back to my trigonometric series. So far we have explored right angles and how to solve them using sine, cos and tangent. What about the triangles that don't have a right angle or 90 degrees? That's where non-right angle trigonometry comes in. It also known as the oblique trigonometry. Actually, under non-right angle trigonometry, we have to discuss two rules. The first one is sine rule, the second one is cosine rule. Let's see. Here, non-right angle trigonometry. The first one is sine rule. We know that we have a triangle ABC. The standard notation ABC triangle, the angle at the point A is capital A, angle at the B is capital B, and angle at the point C is capital C. The opposite sides to the A is simple A, opposite sides to the B is simple B, and opposite side to the C is simple C. Then the sine rule says A divided by sine A. The ratio to the length of the side to the angle of the side is equal to B divided by sine B as well as C divided by sine C. Or we can say in the other way, sine A over A, sine B over B, sine C over C. Okay, this ratio is equal to this one, as well as these three ratios are equal to each other. We can say it's a constant. I'll take the constant as K. Next one is cosine rule. ABC is non-right angle triangle. The angle A, which is at the point A, and the opposite side is simple A. Angle B, the opposite side is B, and C, and simple C. Okay, then the rule says A square, the square of the A is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. That means A square is equal to B square plus C square. These two minus 2BC cos A. Similarly, we can write what is B square. If I write it, B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC. The angle in between is cos B. And C square, if I want to take A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is the cosine rule. Let's discuss some examples. Here, find the unknown lengths of the following triangles. My first example is there is a triangle ABC. However, the length of the side AC is given, it is 7 centimeters, as well as BC is unknown, it is A. AB is unknown, it is C. We are asked to find A and C. Here, now if we think about this triangle, it's a non-right angle triangle. We have to use either sine or cosine rule. Since we know one of the sides and the opposite angles, as well as the other side is unknown but the opposite angle is known. Therefore, we have to use the sine rule. What is right? Sine rule says A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Now if I use this one, A over sine, what is the angle? 65. And B is, if I take 7 over sine 30. 7 divided by sine 30. Now A is equal to 7 times sine 65 divided by sine 30. It is given that sine 65, the value of the sine 65 is 0.9063. 7 times 0.9063 divided by sine 30 is given 0.5. If we simplify this, it is 12.6882. Then we can say it is approximately 12.69. what is the other unknown side? It is C. We don't know what this angle is. The angles of the total in a triangle is 180. Therefore, the angle at C is equal to 180 minus 65 plus 30. 180 minus 95, it is 85. Again we have to use, this angle is 85 degrees. We have to use the sine rule again. C over sine 85 is equal to 7 over sine 30. However, C is equal to 7 times sine 85 over sine 30. It is 7 times sine 85 is given 0.9916 over 0.5. If we simplify this one, it is 13.88. Okay. Let's move to my next example. Here there is a triangle. It is ABC. However, AC is 7 and AB is 10. Then BC is unknown and the opposite angle to BC is known. It is 30 degrees. Now we know that two sides and the angle in between is given. In this question, we have to use the cosine rule. We know what the cosine rule is. What is it? It is A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, then B is, if we take 7 square plus 10 square minus 2i, 7 times 10 times cos of 30. However, this is 49 plus 100 minus 14 times 10 times cos 30. It is A square. A square is equal to 149 minus 140. Cos 30 is given root 3 over 2. A square is equal to 149 minus 70 root 3. A is equal to the square root of 27.76. A is equal to a square root of 27.76. The length of the BC side is 5.27. Here I have discussed the non-right angle trigonometry and two related rules, which are sine rule and the cosine rule. Remember, the law of sines and law of cosines are your way to go for tackling these type of questions. In my next video, I'll discuss more application questions related to the law of sine and the law of cos. Please subscribe to my channel, then you can watch my new videos. Thank you.